Hi, my name is Lisa Solomon, and I'm a freelance lawyer. What that means is I help other solo and small firm lawyers nationwide with all of their legal research and writing needs. Today, we're going to talk about gender neutrality in legal writing. And the way it's going to be structured is I'll give you a rule or a suggestion and then some examples of how the rule can be applied. So here are some ways to make your writing gender neutral. First, use gender-neutral terms. King becomes sovereign. Madam Justice Ginsburg becomes Justice Ginsburg. Sister states becomes sibling state. And statesmanship becomes diplomacy. Next, delete the suffix man. So you would say assembly member, not assemblyman. Chair, not chairman or the inelegant chairperson. Firefighter, not fireman. Supervisor, not foreman, and presiding juror, or the inelegant but standard foreperson, but not foreman of the jury. Another way you can make your writing gender neutral is to avoid masculine terms. Instead of mankind, say humanity. Instead of man-made, say man made by hand. And instead of common man, say average person. Change terms once reserved for women. So Mrs. and Miss become Ms., unless you know that the person prefers Ms., Mrs., or Miss. Next, avoids the suffixes at, s, and trix. So waitress becomes waiter or server, actress becomes actor, and executrix becomes executor. Now I'm going to talk about techniques to avoid gendered language. One way you can do that is make the antecedent plural. So instead of an infant younger than 7 may not be convicted of petty larceny, he is immune from prosecution, becomes infants younger than 7 may not be convicted of petty larceny. They are immune from prosecution. You can rephrase to eliminate the pronoun. He who cannot do the crime should not do the time. He who cannot do the time should not do the crime. Becomes anyone who cannot do the time should not do the crime. Becomes if you cannot do the time, do not do the crime. You can repeat the noun. You can use a second person pronoun, or as a last resort, you can use a passive voice. So those are all the suggestions I have on ways to make your writing gender neutral. Again, I'm Lisa Solomon. You can reach me at my website at www.questionoflaw.net. I invite you to visit and see what I can do for you.